Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're at 44 in Kings. Our friends have been raving about this place for so many months, so we're going to bring it to you right now at this moment tonight. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, this beautiful lit up area is 44 in Kings, and it has this beautiful outside dining. Look at this beatbox. Check it out. This is awesome. So in the summertime, I can definitely see us sitting out here beside the fire pits and everything. And look at those beautiful trees. Aren't those awesome?
They are.
Like everybody in Myrtle Beach is wrapping their trees. And I know y'all are dying to see the inside, so let's go check it out. And for those of you that get eaten by mosquitoes, well, they also have this inside dining area.
It's a screened-in porch.
It is like a screened-in porch, so you won't get eaten by those nasty mosquitoes. So now we're going to go on in and check out this beautiful restaurant. So, what's your name?
My name is Brittany. I'm a server here at 44 in King here in Myrtle Beach.
Alrighty, so Brittany, tell them what this delicious drink is.
So this is our blueberry martini. It is actually one of my favorite cocktails we've ever had here. It's made with our vanilla vodka, and all of our juices here are freshly squeezed, so you have fresh blueberry juice and ginger. So that's the little bit that you get, and the nice little lemon rim at the end. A perfect drink for here on the beach. Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is absolutely delicious. So next time you're in the area, make sure you come here and check her out. Thank you, baby girl. So as an appetizer, we got a bowl of pork rinds, which is a Southern style tradition. And we decided to go with the Old Bay seasoning. Look at that. And they look absolutely delicious. And Precious decided to go with a chicken BLT wrap. And she also got the sweet potato fries. Yummy, yummy. And so Becky, our healthy eater, decided to go with the prime brisket with some baked beans and their vegetable medley on the side. Okay, and Sam he decided to go with the baby back ribs. I want the baby back. And he decided to go with the macaroni and cheese and the sweet tea collard greens as well.
And I went with the chicken pie. It's roasted full chicken mixed with vegetables in a tradition cream sauce with a buttery pastry. Basically, it's like a chicken pot pie.
Chicken pot, chicken pot, chicken pot. And do it, beatbox. That looks delicious. Oh, here we go in the middle. Wow.
Good gosh.
Show us the Oh, yum.
Back up.
That looks good. And so I decided to go for the night. The biggest pick was the boneless pork chop. So it comes with 2 of your buttermilk battered fried chops. Yummy. And it also comes with garlic mashed potatoes. And I decided to go with the sweet tea collard greens. Well, there you go. That was a look at 44 and King right here in Myrtle Beach. That was absolutely delicious. What do you think?
I thought it was very good.
I enjoyed every bit of it. So make sure you bring your friends, family, and this is good for birthdays, any kind of outing, right?
That's right. And they call it 44 and King because it's on 44th Avenue, right here on 17.
That makes sense.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right. Until next time, keep beaching. See you in the next video, or maybe in a restaurant. And look, Bunny Bee himself is even sitting there waiting on us. I am not tasting that. No, get that away from me. That's disgusting. Listen, it's not Charlotte's Big. She said it's not Charlotte's Big.
Charlotte's Big. Where did she come up with this stuff? It looks like Pinocchio. Her ears get bigger when she lies. Look. It's a screened-in porch.
It is like a screened-in porch, so you won't get eaten by those nasty scamitas.
Scamitas. Those nasty scamitas. And
mosquitoes.
She's already had the blueberry martini, I'm thinking.
So now we're going to go on in and check out this beautiful restaurant.
Scamitas.
Scamitas. And just for the record, this is what made me say scamitas. It's so good though. Y'all really do need to try it.